Hello everyone. Today I will show how to install a virtual machine in Microsoft Hyper-V. Open Hyper-V Manager. Connect it with the server or local computer. Now on the right panel click on New and select Virtual Machine. Now the new Virtual Machine wizard will open. Click Next and then specify the name of the virtual machine you want to give. I am installing Windows Server 2012 R2, so I specified the name as that. Now by default it will take the location of the virtual machine you have configured in Hyper-V settings. Please refer my last video where I showed how to configure the Hyper-V settings before installing a virtual machine. If you want to change the location, then check the box for store the virtual machine in a different location and mention the path where you want to store. I will keep the default location which I configured in Hyper-V settings. Click Next. Here I will choose the Generation 1 and click Next. Specify the startup memory. You can specify an amount from 32 MB to 6630 MB. It also depends on the configuration of the computer you are using for the Hyper-V. More memory, better performance. Here I will give 1024 MB and would check the box use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. Then click Next. Choose the network connection you want for this VM. It will show you the connection type you already created from Virtual Switch Manager. Please refer my video where I showed how to configure Virtual Switch Manager before installing a virtual machine. I will choose New Virtual Switch, External, which I already created before, and then click Next. Here the default path you created for virtual hard disks while configuring Hyper-V settings will be shown. Please refer my video where I showed how to configure the Hyper-V settings before installing a virtual machine. I will give 127 GB for the virtual hard disk for this VM. Click Next. Now choose how you want to install the operating system for the virtual machine. I have already downloaded the ISO for Windows 2012 R2. So I am choosing Install an operating system from a bootable CD/DVD-ROM. Then I will choose Image File and would browse and select the ISO. Click Next and review the summary. Then click Finish. This will take a few seconds. Configuration to add the virtual machine has been done. But the process have not completed yet. Now come back to the Hyper-V Manager and you will notice the new virtual machine. Right-click on it and choose Start. Now Hyper-V will start the virtual machine. Then after it starts running, click on the VM again and choose Connect. Now the window for the virtual machine will open. It will take a few seconds to start the installation of the operating system. Specify the details and click Next. Then click on Install Now. This will take a few seconds. Wait till the window to choose the type of operating system does not show up. This part is specifically for Windows Server 2012 R2. It may vary from different operating system. Now you need to choose what kind of operating system you want and click Next. Then accept the license agreement and click Next. Then choose Custom Install and click Next. Then click New and you will notice the amount of space you specified for the virtual hard drive. Then click Apply. Click OK for the pop-up window. Partition 1 is reserved for System. So choose Partition 2 and click Next. Then the installation will start. This might take a few minutes to complete the installation of the operating system. After the installation is complete, you can work on the new virtual machine. The installation of the virtual machine has been successfully completed. Enjoy.